If you're considering a living room makeover, consider hiring an interior house painter. It's not just about painting your walls, it's about transforming your space to reflect your unique style and personality. A professional painter can help you choose the right colors, textures, and finishes that speak to your soul and create the perfect ambiance in your living room. While it might be tempting to DIY, a skilled painter can ensure a flawless and long-lasting finish, sparing you the headache of deciphering the best choices for your living room. Plus, they can help you save time and effort, allowing you to sit back and relax while they do the work. A seasoned interior painter brings creativity and vision, suggesting color schemes, finishes, and textures that complement your furniture and enhance your home's aesthetic. By entrusting your living room to a professional, you're not just getting a new color on your walls, you're getting a space that tells your story and reflects your family's memories and emotions. Hiring an interior house painter is more than just changing a room's color. It's an investment in your home's beauty, comfort, and time. It's about creating a space that echoes your unique taste and lifestyle and enhances your precious moments with loved ones. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting transformation journey, remember that a professional painter can help you create a living room that speaks to your soul. Need help painting your living room? Call Drywall Paint Plus today at 5089-813-254.